If you're a dog lover, then you must already be thinking about providing your pet its own home in your residence. Kennels serve as one of the best places to train dogs about being inside, and being more accustomed to not taking things that don't belong to them. Not only will the house and its owners be kept safe from the disturbance dogs can cause when they're unleashed, but more importantly, the dog can feel a sense of safety and security when they're housed in a kennel. Today we'll discover the top 5 dog kennels to suit you and your pet's needs. Whether you want it to be installed indoors, outdoors, or both, you'll surely find what you're looking for in this review. Now let's begin. The first product on our list is the American Kennel Club. With an area of 32 square feet and a dimension of 4 feet by 8 feet by 6 feet, the AKC Uptown Premium Dog Kennel Kit is certified to have highly met the standards when it comes to protection, security, and quality. This dog kennel is constructed with a welded wire made of highly durable steel. The waterproof fitted cover is meant to keep your pets safe from too much rain or heat from the sunlight, and it has a durable gate latch that can be locked but can't be opened by the pets. The classic powder coating has no sharp edges, keeping the dog safe from unwanted scratches or wounds. It's pretty easy to keep it clean too, because each welded wire panel has a 1-inch raised leg on them. Dirt can easily be reached and removed from the cage. Plastic leg caps provide protective feet when the kennel is brought indoors, and prevents water penetration when brought outdoors. This feature makes the kennel appropriate to be placed in decks, patios, and yards. The kennel can be assembled with no need for any tools. Also available in medium size with 4 feet by 4 feet by 6 feet dimensions. This kennel by AKC is not only perfect for dogs, but it can also be an excellent home for cats, chickens, bunnies, and other small animals. The next product on our list is the Kennel Master 4 foot by 8 foot by 6 foot welded wire dog fence kennel kit. This kennel takes away the hassle of the assembly and installation of a permanent enclosure for pets. With the pre-assembled gate, it's easy to set up, and with no tools needed can be done by one person. The kennel is built with a durable 12-gauge wire and can handle chewing, clawing, climbing, and digging. It also has a lockable latch that's pet-proof. The pet inside the kennel will be kept safe and protected by the solid steel and waterproof cover. Moreover, the cover shields the pet from rain and direct sunlight. Aside from the smooth, finished look, rusts and sharp points aren't things to be worried about because the kennel has a vinyl-coated finish. These features will also prolong the kennel's life. The Kennel Master dog kennel has raised legs for easy cleaning, especially when the kennel is placed indoors. If the kennel is installed outdoors, then the legs can be inserted into the ground to make it steadier. Plastic caps are also provided to block rain from penetrating the inside of the panels. The kennel kit is designed for use, whether indoors or outdoors, and it's ideal not only for dogs, but for cats and other small animals as well. The kennel is also available in smaller sizes, with the dimensions of 6 feet by 4 feet by 6 feet for the medium model, and 4 feet by 4 feet by 6 feet for the small model. Our first 2 featured products are great for both indoor and outdoor setups. If you decide to install your dog kennel outside your house, then the next items on the list could be what you're looking for. So keep watching, because if you like this video and want to be notified of our latest product reviews, make sure to click the bell icon. Now let's continue on our list. The third product on our list is the Lucky Dog 2-in-1 Galvanized Chain Link Dog Kennel PC Frame Box Kit. This kennel is easy to assemble with its quick connect frame. Durability is assured because it's constructed with commercial grade 100% steel frames. Pets inside this kennel are safe because there's no soft aluminum components. With the dimensions of 10 feet length by 10 feet width and 6 feet height, this chain link dog kennel can easily be assembled by one person using an adjustable wrench and a screwdriver. This kennel is covered in a double silver powder coating, and the chain link 12-gauge galvanized fabric included makes the entire structure resistant from corrosion and deterioration. The chain links are secured with ties made of tough steel wires, which can't be removed by pets. Stray or wild animals can't enter the fence, therefore increasing the safety and security of your pet inside. For extra safety of the pets and peace of mind of the owners, the kennel is equipped with a steel door solid latch that's lockable. With the superior design, the door hinge will surely stay in place firmly for many years. Cleaning's not a problem either, because the legs can extend and raise the cage to about 1 more inch off the ground. This kennel is appropriate for outdoor use only, and it's called 2-in-1 because the one who will assemble it has the option to build the kennel into a 10x10 or a 5x15 design. The fourth item on our list is the Eleco dog kennel. This kennel is easy and quick to set up, with the use of a few necessary hand tools. The dog kennel frame's assembly is made simple with its easy-to-connect design. The easy assembly and disassembly make the kennel readily transportable for change of location in the house. Even when moving to another home, the cage can easily be put up first to let the pet enjoy on its own while everyone is busy settling in and arranging things inside the house. The pet owners won't have to worry about having pets messing with the unarranged household things. The kennel's dimensions are 6 feet in height by 10 feet in width and 10 feet in length. The size of the kennel's construction's 12-gauge tube is 1.25 inches by 1.25 inches. The size of its 13-gauge mesh wire is 2.36 inches by 2.36 inches. With its full size, the chain link kennel gives plenty of room for the pets to run around and play around safely. The boxed kennel is constructed with galvanized steel, which makes the pet's cage safe from getting rusty. Keeping the pet's home corrosion-free not only lengthens the life of the cage, but most importantly, it helps to assure that the animals will be free from iron toxicity. The Eleco kennel can be used not only for dogs or cats, but it can also be used as a chicken coop run or a hen house. How do you think the video is going so far? If you're not yet a part of our growing community, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to keep you updated on our latest reviews. Comments, suggestions, and questions are welcomed below, so please don't hesitate to use the comment section. If you've not yet found one that you like the most, well, don't worry, because the last item on our list could be the right kennel for your pet. Now let's continue. This list wouldn't be complete without mentioning the KennelMaster Cottage View Boxed Kennel. Having the dimensions of 5 feet in length by 5 feet in width and 4 feet in height, it's the perfect house not only for dogs, but for other pets of small and medium sizes as well. Pets can have quick access to protection and security, with the kennel's easy setup feature. Complete as it is, all hardware needed for the construction of the cage is already included in the kit. There's no need for additional tools, and with only one person required to do the job, the kennel can be built in less than an hour. Pet owners will be confident about their pet's safety without the hassle of complicated construction kennels. Having excellent resistance to damage, galvanized steel together with welded wire assures the durability of the kennel's construction. The double powder coat finish makes the cage attractive and helps to protect it from unwanted wear and tear due to different weather conditions. Rust isn't a thing to worry about either with the KennelMaster kennel. This kennel is designed for outdoor installation, and the kennel offers shade for pets with the included sunblock top. The opening of its pinch-proof gate can be configured to the left or right according to the owner's preference. This kennel offers excellent flexibility in its installation in the backyard or garden. A Cottage View expansion panel set is available to be purchased separately if the kennel expansion is desired, to make more room for your pet. Well, that sums up the review of the 5 best dog kennels on the market. We hope this video helped you decide which kennel is perfect for your pet and is suitable for your home. All 5 of our featured kennels provide safety and security to pets, and their construction is meant for long life expectancy, giving value and functionality at the same time. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching our review, and see you again here on the ReviewTube channel.